Lincoln Continentals in here, boys. Ho ho! Quite good packaging. Oh, it's got all of these things on it. Hate them. Oh, Lincoln Continental. Hold on now, I'll get rid of these fucking things. Hold on now, the buildings and vans. These fucking things, man. Yeah, it's kept it in good nick though. Kept it in good nick. Right, I'll get the box out and I'll show you. It's a beauty. Some size, man. Even in model form it's a big one. Eh? Not bad. It's a lovely colour. And it doesn't have opening doors or bonnet or anything, it's just a sealed model. But very nice, very nice.